Hello, film and art folks. My name is Beth Gatza, and I am your instructor for cinematic portraits. I am from Los Angeles, California, and have been here for a decade already. And I have a background working in film, art, and education. So I'm really excited to get started with this course because I think we're gonna have a really good time. Welcome to Cinematic Portraits. So cinematic portraits, I think, is a fun approach to portrait painting where we're going to design and paint our own version of movie posters. In this course, I'm going to show you the process of how to design a faux movie poster using all internet-based resources. Then we will transfer the design and paint it in acrylic. Whether you are new to the painting process or you're someone who's looking for a new fun approach to painting, the purpose of this course is to teach and show you the steps that you would need to complete a cinematic portrait from start to finish. This course is laid out in two sections. The first section is lessons and the second section is demonstrations. In the lessons section of the course, I've detailed each step you would need to take in the painting process to complete your cinematic portrait. And the steps are prepping and painting your surface, the image transfer, blocking and values, color glazing. Also in the lessons section of this course, I will show you where I find my inspiration for these faux movie posters, as well as how to develop a color palette that has that cinematic feel. In the demonstrations part of this course, you will see me fully design each of my 3 cinematic portraits using internet-based resources. I will also be showing you the entire painting process of my 3 portraits from start to finish. Each portrait is broken down into videos that highlight each of the steps of the painting process. And I talk you through each of them with tips, tricks, secrets, and the mistakes that I've made by myself so you can avoid them. I also included a free bonus course, and I really think that this is the cherry on top. This is a prerequisite course that will really make you think differently about the painting process. In the prerequisite course, I break down complex ideas of the painting process in a way that's easy to understand. But the big thing is I share everything. I share the complete process for prepping your reference photo, including how to match your reference photo to actual paint pigments that you can buy, how to prep your reference photo for the painting so you have an accurate image transfer. And I've also included a really fascinating history lesson on the secret tools that the masters used in order to create photorealistic paintings. It is up to you how you move through this class. You may be someone that is really interested in the painting process first, and you want to learn how it works. Or you may be really interested in starting off by watching me paint and see me in action. I created this course with 2 very simple goals in mind: to arm you with the tools and knowledge I wish that I had when I was starting out, and to have fun, to make this a fun approach to painting. You can use these lessons as a foundation or something entirely new. But either way, I think that you're going to have massive success with this course, and I'm really excited to see what you come up with. Okay, let's get started.